Hey guys, welcome to this awesome video in squaland. And in this video we will be building a whole new build, and man, I'm actually excited for this one. But before we do go into it, we might need to add someone to the water garden that I do in every single video. Because today we are going to be adding Levi. So thank you for your support, Levi, and welcome to the water garden. And now we're going to be getting a dog for today's video, and you guys will be like what I did. Whoa, it's a lot bigger. And then we have this balcony right here to our end. Look over the farm, kind of look right over the farm. And then, of course, there's... Huh? Okay. I know how to open my chat. It just told me how to open my chat, guys. I don't know. And then there's this doorway to get right out, which makes it easy. But... And then, of course, I move this to only have one staircase because, yeah. But it goes like right here, which is very lit up, though. So. And then... I'm pretty sure we had Oreo last video? Mats. Can we control this one? Ooh. Okay, Mats, I'm coming. Okay, come on, Mats, and come on and join us in the video today. Today, I like that. That's little. I like it. But today we're going to be building just past the store. Yep, and we are going to be building a restaurant. Ooh. Yes, the restaurant. What did I have? Here. Yes, the restaurant. Hey, your tail was in the chest. That might hurt. But we have all these materials. The wall itself is going to be spruce. And then a little bit of birch. Or no. The tables are birch. That's what. But yeah, spruce is the walls. So, yeah. And then, of course, we have 2 here. And 2. And then we go back, all the way back. Pretty much 2 from that. So it's like, ooh. But, yep. It's a nice little area. Whoop. And then we go 15 this way. Right, yeah, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We go 13, sorry. Yep. Oop, ah. We go 13 because there's like I have another like small little shop here, like a very small one. So probably one of the most. It's gonna be probably crowded, to be honest, but it's just a little tiny shop. I hope I grabbed enough spruce though, or I should say spruce. Just because, yeah. So this is the outline of it so far. Yes, you go down there. So it just makes it. I don't know. I like the idea. I just don't. I like the idea. And then of course there's this what we're gonna have is a candle shop gonna be here. We're probably gonna be that. Probably, maybe it's gonna be the next thing I build. But I don't know. And then we go up by 6. So Matt, sorry, you don't have to sit down for this one. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not as tall as the grocery store, but so 1, 2. Yeah. It's not as tall as the grocery store, but it's still not a small building, so. And then might be crowded, but at the same time it might not be crowded. Just because of, yeah. I might run out of spruce, and I know I have some at the back of the house. I think I have them in my normal storage room too. So, still, I just know I have probably a lot in there. That's all. So, yeah. And yes, this is going to be one of those boring builds. Actually, I won't probably run out. If I run out, this is a lot bigger than I thought, but I don't know why I was thinking I might run out. Forgot I have my whole inventory. Yeah. So yeah, like this. The candle shop might actually be connected to this. Who knows? Who knows? Ooh. Come on. No. Okay. I tried getting it. Aw. Not you. Okay, guys. Ooh. We are getting there. Well, guys, I will just be right back when I do finish the walls of this building because it is gonna take me a minute. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, the walls are done, and now we're going to do the floors. The floor is gonna be dark oak. So yeah. Yeah. And man, yep. Here's the ocean, where the ocean technically starts. Oh, pretty sure this is where the ocean starts, and I literally have to place a lot of, yeah. So, yep, fun. So, I know it's almost Christmas. Are you guys excited for Christmas? Because I know me and my girlfriend are so excited, and but guys, though, and I haven't told you guys this yet, but I have been hearing something in this world, and I don't know what it is. Like, it sounds like footsteps in my house. And I've been checking it out, and nothing. So, if you guys have any idea what it could be, let me know. Because it always happens to be around the doghouse area, or the dog room area. Like, don't know why, but been kind of scaring me. It's been kind of like a creaky noise, and ugh.
And no, it's not the creaking. It's not the new
No. Because we're not even in that biome, so I know that. But just scares me. So, It just scares me because I'm the only one in this world half the time. And it just, well, at least I think I am. I search and no one else is in the world half the time. So, it's just, maybe it's a ghost that's making a sound or something. I don't know.
You know how funny it is to watch skeletons and zombies fight, and then the zombie loses?
Yeah, it's funny. But, yeah. So, don't know. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, I've been hearing it in your world too.
Yeah, it's just don't know what's up. It's like, I mean, I've been trying to watch on my security cameras, and every time I go it always happens right before I go look, the camera always cuts out. So I can't even look at it. Because there's no footage. So it's just a little scary. But guys, I will come back when this floor is done. Okay guys, see this? Of course we got all the whole flooring done. And now we're gonna get and do the roof. Actually, before we do the roof, I'm gonna be putting some windows in real quick. We're gonna have a window here. There's 3 across. Right here. Like that. And then we're gonna have a window here. No, not yet. We're gonna come from this way. Okay. And like that. So that's 2 windows there with 1, 2. There we go. See? Yay! Oh. There we go. And then. Oh. Hold up. Apparently. It has to be 1. Like this. There we go. Just like that. And then, we're gonna do windows on this side. So we have 3. And then, it's 3. Just like this. Ooh. There we go. Because this side won't have anything, it's just gonna be, like the kitchen area and stuff, so yeah. And then, of course, the window is going to be here. 1, 2. I'm ready to do 4 on the last one. Kind of like a one big window. Right here. There we go. Just like this. Whoa, hi, Hinderman. You teleported right there. And now we're going to have the roof. Hi, sheep who entered the restaurant. Sorry, sheep. We're closed. We're not open. Now you're walking right. I told the sheep we're not open, and he walked right back out.
That works.
That's a very listened sheep. That sheep knows how to listen. There was a creeper that blew up right behind me. And it scared me. No. Oh my word, guys. The creeper blew. Oh my god. That was terrifying, guys. Literally. And if I was literally a block forward, it would have blown up my dog. Well, it did not blow up my restaurant. It blown up the coffee shop across the street. Actually, I might have all the blocks for it. Actually, no, I don't. Oh, no, not right there. Maybe. No. I'm gonna have to fix the coffee shop. I'll do that between episodes or something like that. That was terrifying, actually. I have most of the blocks. That's kind of funny, though. Whoop. I just don't have oak wood on me. That's literally the only thing. I don't have oak wood. If I had oak wood on me, I would have had everything to fix this build. But of course I don't. So. But my word, guys. That just scared me. And now we have to do the roof, though. Not spruce, though. Please, no. Still dark oak wood. It's gonna be the roof. It's gonna be like up one, though, like that. So yeah, pretty simple. Which I probably will do outside of episode just because. Wait, do I have any torches? Okay, good, I do. Because I'm gonna wanna light up this place before I fill in the roof. I mean, it should be mostly lit up anyway because of the windows, but still. Okay, guys, I would do the roof between episodes and fix this mess that the creeper made, who almost killed my dog, by the way. So yeah, because all I need is like oak wood, which is kind of funny actually. Because I have all the other ingredients anyway. But hey guys, I will see you guys. Well, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, and I guess I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.